Hi, I can help you with some information and tips on how to avoid the common pitfalls that can hinder your career growth. Here are 4 things that you should be aware of and avoid. Playing politics. This means engaging in conflict, gossip, manipulation, or favoritism at work, which can damage your reputation and relationships. Instead, you should focus on building trust, collaboration, and respect with your colleagues and managers, and avoid getting involved in drama or controversy. Over-promising and under-delivering. This means setting unrealistic expectations for yourself or others, and failing to meet them. This can result in disappointment, frustration, and loss of credibility. Instead, you should be honest and realistic about what you can do, and deliver on your promises. Complacency. This means settling for the status quo, and not challenging yourself or seeking new opportunities to learn and grow. This can result in stagnation, boredom, and missed opportunities. Instead, you should be proactive and curious, and seek feedback, mentorship, and training to improve your skills and knowledge. Low emotional intelligence. This means lacking the ability to understand and manage your own and others' emotions, and communicate effectively. This can result in conflict, misunderstanding, and poor performance. Instead, you should develop your emotional intelligence by being self-aware, empathetic, and respectful, and listening and expressing yourself clearly. These are some of the things that can kill your career growth, but there are more factors and strategies that you can explore. I can also help you with some information and tips on how to choose and improve your career. There are many books on career development, but here are some of the ones that I recommend. Designing Your Life. How to Build a Well-Lived, Joyful Life by Bill Burnett and Dave Evans. This book shows you how to apply design thinking principles to your career and life, and how to create multiple possible paths for yourself. You can learn how to experiment, prototype, and iterate your way to a fulfilling and meaningful career. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Powerful Lessons in Personal Change by Stephen R. Covey. This book teaches you how to develop the habits and mindset that can help you achieve your personal and professional goals. You can learn how to be proactive, prioritize, collaborate, and continuously improve yourself and your work. Atomic Habits. An easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones by James Clear. This book explains how small changes in your habits can lead to big results in your career and life. You can learn how to make habits stick, break bad habits, and optimize your environment and systems for success. So Good They Can't Ignore You. Why Skills Trump Passion in the Quest for Work You Love by Cal Newport. This book challenges the common advice of following your passion, and argues that building rare and valuable skills is the key to finding work you love. You can learn how to adopt a craftsman mindset, pursue deliberate practice, and leverage your skills to gain more autonomy and impact in your career. What Color is Your Parachute? 2021. A Practical Manual for Job Hunters and Career Changers by Richard N. Bowles. This book is a classic guide for finding and landing your dream job. You can learn how to discover your strengths, interests, and values, how to write a resume and cover letter, how to ace an interview and negotiate a salary, and how to start your own business. These are some of the books that I recommend for career development, but there are more books that you can find more with your own taste. I hope this helps you find some useful books to read.